Good day, and welcome to Hiroshima University's English Podcast.
Hi everyone, I'm Perlene.
Hey guys, I'm Joe. Perlene, I have a question for you. What is your favorite Japanese proverb?
Favorite Japanese proverb. 一番好きなことわざですね。
What is Perlene's favorite proverb? And what is mine? Let's talk about it today.
皆さんこんにちは。皆さんは時々ことわざを英語でも話すとかっこよくなるので、今日のポッドキャストでもことわざについて話していきましょう。
So, Perlene, what is your favorite Japanese proverb?
Yes. 私の好きなことわざは百聞は一見にしかず。
What would that be in English?
In English, it's more simple. It's seeing is believing.
Yes, seeing is believing. Very easy in English, right?
Yes.
That means that if you see something, you'll understand it very well. You know, if
yes,
you only
exactly.
hear about it or you see it on TV, you kind of forget about it, right? Mm-hmm. But if you actually go there, you really, really understand it, right?
Yes. Joe, what is your favorite proverb?
Okay, one Japanese proverb I really like is ichigo ichie. In English, that would be cherish each moment.
Cherish each moment.
Right. To cherish means to treasure, to really like that. Anyway, it's very nice in English, too. I like this one. Cherish each moment. But actually, in English, I think it's not really very well known. Sometimes they say cherish each day. That's okay. You hear that sometimes. But to cherish each moment, I think, is even better because it might disappear. If you're meeting someone, this is your chance to be with that person. So I think it's a very good one. How about an English proverb, Perlene? What one do you like?
My favorite English proverb is actions speak louder than words.
Oh, actions speak louder than words. Yeah, that's a good one. So that means what you do is more important than what you say, right?
Yes, exactly.
People can say, I'm going to do that work, but then they don't do it, right? Your actions speak louder than words. Good expression.
How about you, Joe? What English proverb do you like?
One that I've always liked is, hit two birds with one stone.
Oh, 一石二鳥ですね。
Yes. When busy people sometimes think that. Hit two birds with one stone. It's an easy one, right?
Yes, yes.
Try to do that.
今日のダイアログではいくつかの英語のことわざが出てきます。まずは Let's listen to the dialogue at slow speed.
Hey, can someone help me?I can't reach this paint pot at the top of the shelf. No, wait, I got it. Ah!
Ah, are you all right, Honoka? You spilt paint all over yourself.
Oh no, this top used to be my grandmother's. And look, the paint's all over the artwork we were supposed to display. Oh, what am I going to do? It's all my fault.
Hey, don't worry. It's no use crying over spilt milk. We'll figure something out.
But I didn't spill milk. Why would I do that?I spilt paint, Noah, and it's going to stain everything.
No, that's not what I meant. It's a proverb. Oh, never mind. Let's get you cleaned up. I'll see if I can wash the paint off of this. Here, give that to me.
Ah! Well, I don't think we can fix that.
I guess misfortunes never come singly.
Enough with your sayings. I'm soaked with paint. We broke the artwork, and we have to do something by tomorrow.
Okay. Don't panic. Maybe I can glue it back together while you find something clean to wear. Once it dries, we can repaint it. Okay. Now I got the glue. Where's the white paint? Oh, here it is. I can nearly reach it. Ah!
Oh, are you right, Noah? You've spilt paint all over yourself. When it rains, it pours.
Oh no, they both have lots of problems.
Yes.
When it rains, it pours.
Yes. 悪いことは重なるという意味ですね。
Yes, when you have one problem, you have more problems.
Yes.
It's a very famous expression in English. When it rains, it pours.
To pour はたくさん雨降るということです。
Right, you can say, for example, it poured yesterday. Good expression in conversation.
まず彼女は棚の上の絵の具入れを取ってくれないと聞きます。棚は shelf で絵の具入れは paint pot です。
Right, so she wants to reach a paint pot at the top of the shelf. So a pot, it's a good word, right? You can say, for example, I made a pot of soup, for example. Or I need to wash the pots. Everybody, if you open your mouth very loudly like that, very big, pot, it sounds like you're from North America. Of course, the British pronunciation pot, no problem. Or Australia. If you say pot, it sounds like you're from California or from Vancouver. And of course, the shelf is a place in the kitchen. Put the pots on this shelf. These are good words for the kitchen.
その後彼女が絵の具をこぼし、絵の具を自分にこぼしてしまったねと彼が言います。spilt というのはこぼすという意味です。
Right, she spilt the paint all over herself. So to spill, the past tense, kakoke, can be spilt or spilled. Both are okay. I spilt the milk or I spilled the milk. Both are okay.
その後彼女は、このシャツはおばあちゃんのだったのに、ここでの top というのは上という表現ではなく、上着やシャツという意味です。
Right, so a top is like a kind of a light shirt, especially for women.
Yes.
For example, this top matches her skirt, for example. Anyway, this word top often means a woman's light shirt for the summer, like that.
そして彼女は展示するべきだった作品にもついてしまったわと言います。ここでのするべきだったという表現は supposed to です。
Right, to be supposed to do something means you should do it, and if you don't do it, something bad will happen.
Yes. Could you give us some examples, Joe?
Sure. I'm supposed to do this homework. So that means I should do it, and if I don't do it, something bad will happen, like the teacher will get angry like that. And in the dialogue, they're supposed to display this art by the next day. And so if they don't do it, maybe the teacher will get angry like that. Anyways, everyone try to imagine your own example. I'm supposed to do that. Something bad will happen. For example, we are not supposed to drink so much alcohol. If you do drink alcohol, something bad might happen, right?
Yes.
Like that.
そして彼女はIt's all my fault と言います。ここでの my fault というのは私のせいです。
Right. People in other countries often say this more often, I think, than Japanese. Right? It's your fault. It's his fault. Whose fault is it? Like that, right?
Yes.
They want to find the responsibility. It's a good expression. You hear it a lot.
そして彼はここでことわざを使います。It's no use crying over spilt milk. 日本語では落ち込んでいてもしょうがないという意味です。
Right. It's no use crying over spilt milk. Everyone, can you say that? One more time. Everyone, can you say it? It's no use crying over spilt milk. Again, you can say it again very quickly and you'll remember it.
その後彼は自分たちで何とかしましょうと彼女を励まします。ここでは We'll figure something out と言います。
It's a good expression to figure something out means to solve it. For example, I couldn't figure out the problem. Or I couldn't figure the problem out. Both are okay like that. And in the dialogue again, the man says they will figure something out. They will solve this problem of the spilt paint.
そして彼女は、でもすべてにシミがついてしまったと言います。シミは stain です。
Yes, sometimes we stain our clothes like that. Not fun, right? We need to wash them then.
Yes, I'm very clumsy, so I have a lot of stained clothes.
Right. And here in the dialogue, of course, she stained the artwork with the paint.
Yes. そして彼は、まずは絵の具を洗いましょうと言います。ここでの cleaned up というのは、自分を洗うときに使う表現です。
Right, it's a good expression. Let's clean up after eating here. Or let's clean up this mess. You know, all the dirt or all the papers that are around like that. Let's clean up the mess. And here in the dialogue, they're going to get her cleaned up. That means they will try to clean her up somehow. They will get her cleaned up.
そして彼は、まずは絵の具を洗い落としましょうと言って、ここでの表現は to get cleaned up。自分を洗うときに使う表現です。
Right, they need to get her cleaned up.
というものの、彼は作品をうっかり落としてしまい、スコアは単独で来ないと彼はまたことわざを使っていきます。ここでのことわざは Misfortunes never come singly です。
Right, misfortunes never come singly. It's the same as when it rains, it pours.
Yes.
Misfortunes never come singly. All of these are important sayings.
Sayings は Proverbs と同じでことわざという意味です。
Right, it's very good in conversation. Putting famous sayings in your English is important. So you can say sayings or proverbs. Both words are very good.
そして彼女は絵の具でびしょ濡れで作品も壊れてしまったわと言います。ここでのびしょ濡れは soaked です。
Right, to be soaked or to get soaked. For example, I got soaked in the rain. Oh no. Or I got soaked with alcohol in the party.
Yes.
And here in the dialogue, the woman is soaked with paint. Too bad.
今日の最後の表現となります。彼はもしかして元通りに接着できるかもと言います。元通りに接着というものは glue it back together です。
Right, they need to glue this artwork back together.
Yes.
I wonder if they can do that, right?
It sounds very difficult.
Yes. Yes, if it's broken, it's broken.
Yes.
How do you glue it back together? And with that, let's listen at natural speed and see if they can somehow successfully do it.
Hey, can someone help me? I can't reach this paint pot at the top of the shelf. No, wait, I got it. Ah!
Are you all right, Honoka? You spilled paint all over yourself.
Oh no, this top used to be my grandmother's. And look, the paint's all over the artwork we were supposed to display. Oh, what am I going to do? It's all my fault.
Hey, don't worry. It's no use crying over spilt milk. We'll figure something out.
But I didn't spill milk. Why would I do that? I spilled paint, Noah. And it's going to stain everything.
No, that's not what I meant. It's a proverb. Oh, never mind. Let's get you cleaned up. I'll see if I can wash the paint off of this. Here, give that to me.
Well, I don't think we can fix that.
I guess misfortunes never come singly.
Enough with your sayings. I'm soaked with paint. We broke the artwork, and we have to do something by tomorrow.
Okay. Don't panic. Maybe I can glue it back together while you find something clean to wear. Once it dries, we can repaint it. Okay, now I got the glue. Where's the white paint? Oh, here it is. I can nearly reach it. Oh, ah!
Are you all right, Noah? You've spilt paint all over yourself. When it rains, it pours.
Well, today, everyone, we heard some important sayings or proverbs, right?
Yes.
In your English, try to put them in sometimes. For example, today we said, it's no use crying over spilled milk, right?
Yes.
And we also heard, misfortunes never come singly, right? It's the same as when it rains, it pours. And then, of course, Pearline and I, we had our favorite ones in the beginning. You can review that, right?
皆さん今日のことわざはいかがでしたか？このことわざを使っていくと英語がどんどん伸びていくと思います。それでは See you next time at Hiroshima University's English Podcast. Goodbye!
Take care, everyone.